So by now you might be confident enough to try to make your own application, which I encourage you to do. So to get you started, I'm gonna give you two template applications that I normally use when I try to make a new application. Here's how the first one looks, the basic one. So it's just a splash screen with a nice background, hopefully. Okay, and it goes to a main activity with just a close button. Let's work together to see the features. First of all, go to my website to tutorials and download the template app basic. After that, create a new project and import the files here. Compile it, make sure it runs. And when you're done, come back and we'll discuss the features. So now that we see how it works, you see here two activities. The first one is a splash activity. Let's see what's inside it. So in the first splash activity, I included a custom font, which is Caviar Dreams. Be careful, some fonts don't work, so if you find some free font that doesn't work, just search another one. And we check if the phone has internet or not, because you want to focus now on creating applications that require internet, because this way you can show banners in them. Otherwise it would be harder for you to get money, so try to focus on applications that use internet. Now we have a new system, and what it does, this web page is just a blank web page, there's nothing in it. But if we add a message to it, it just shows a message with an OK button. If we add a message separated by space, 3D sign and another space, it shows the message and two buttons, one with cancel and one to go to URL. So here in this page we would put something like this: we have moved space taka and new URL for app. Why we have this new system? Because from time to time Google suspends our applications, and we don't want to lose the users. It is very important that you use this new system. Of course, you replace this with your own, and you will be very grateful when something bad happens, or you simply want to message users something. You can integrate push notifications, but this is by far the simplest thing you can do. Of course, the user must start the application. Okay, after the new system, we see we have a small delay if no news is found, and we just launch the main activity here from this countdown timer. This is it for the splash screen. It's pretty simple, nothing very complex. Now let's move to the main activity. In the main activity, I just put it a button with exit, and you see here a function ask for rating, which is called whenever the user presses a back button to exit the app. Or I also included a menu inside the application. Okay, and it's self-explanatory. Contact us starts a contact intent, for you to send to get feedback. Sharing for if the user clicks share, it will start a share intent. So I don't know if it works on emulator, but you will see here Skype, Facebook, Dropbox, etc. Whatever applications you support for sharing, and a close button. So every time the user tries to close up, we another quick tip for you: you can go to a function very easy if you just hold Control and click. Okay, so ask for rating. Stores if the user has rated the app or not in shared preferences. If he doesn't rate the app, it displays a dialog with asking him to rate the app. Something like, if you like this app, can you please give us a rating? Yes and no. And here you replace with your own package name. If he clicks OK, means hopefully he rated. If he doesn't click later or no, it finishes the application. And here is a menu generator. You don't need to learn it. I don't even know this by heart. I just copy paste it from my other apps. This is how you used to create a menu inside your application. And this is for setting font. If you want to use a default font, just delete it. So very quickly, this is a basic template, app template. You can use it wherever you want. Other things could be added too, but I'd like to keep it simple. Also, I've added styles, custom styles. So if the user has a newer phone with newer API, it automatically switches a theme to Theme Holo Light. If it doesn't have a newer phone, it uses Theme Light. So the app will look better on your phone, and it will work on older phones too. So you see here Mi Music version is 10, which is very low. Now let's go to a more advanced template. So here is a template with ads. Let's just close this one and reopen. And you may create a new project and download here this one, template with ads. After this, let's go step by step. Basically, this is the same as template basic, but instead of just using just asking for rating, it also has ads included, ready for you to start making money, which is very important. You should always concentrate on how to get the value back for your time spent, for your resources dedicated in learning Android. So you will be very happy when you see 50 cents, $1 per day starting to come your way. And how we achieve this? I've integrated here Startup, which I consider the best network, ad network at the moment. I don't know if in the future this will be still the case, but I'm planning to launch a service for my website which keeps track of the best ad network. So here's how you do it. First, you create a new account. Here is a link. Please use this link, because you will also get $50 bonus if you use it and you start producing impression for them. And I will also get money, so this way you can you can thank me for these free tutorials. So just copy paste this link in a browser and create a new account. After you create a new account, you have to have your app published. So hold your horses for a moment, and you can even comment these steps. Publish the app and then uncomment them. And here you replace some values that you will get after you add the app in startup. Maybe I will do a tutorial for this, but I think it's pretty easy. Okay, so we have the same, we have asked for rating, but in case the user clicks no, so he doesn't want to rate, we show him an ad, and in case the user has rated, we also show him an ad. We don't want to show him an ad when user is rating his application because we want him to be as happy as possible. So this is a template with ads. I was thinking to put AdMob 2 included, but lately I've been very disappointed with AdMob because of the low revenue from it. So compared to startup, for example, or even other ad network like Leadbold, AdMob is very low. Absolutely no support. If you have a problem, you have to dig through forums, find emails. I found an email, I got a reply that this is an old email for AdMob, you have to use a new one, but no one tells you the new one. From time to time they suspend your account and take all your money. Very often they suspend your apps, even after 4-5 months of your app running, they suspend it. So I'm really disappointed with AdMob. Good that is a startup is here for an alternative, and yes, this is pretty much it about the template. I would use this advanced template because I don't want to trouble myself with adding ads after this. This is it. I wish you good luck, and I will continue the tutorial series with a little bit more specific topics. I was thinking to make one about GPS, but I don't know, I'll see one in the future. If you have any comment, just comment on the comment section. Actually, I'll do a tutorial on how to monetize best your application, so make sure you check that out. I wish you good coding. Have a nice day, and check for more tutorials on my YouTube page, and also check for resources on my webpage.